The Rumbek County Court in Lake State has acquitted 6 teachers for lack of evidence against them. Teachers, mainly in Rumbek town, were detained for allegedly rejecting a month's salary and demanding an increment. The teachers appeared in court 2 weeks ago after spending nearly 2 months in detention without trial or charges labeled against them. They were the first 20 teachers detained in a military barracks, later 14 were released, leaving 6 of them in detention. Later the 6 teachers were transferred to Rumbek main prison. They include Alfred Ader Ariao, Emmanuel Mapuer, Samuel Ader Ahu, Reuben Majak Neal, Abraham McCoy, and John Merrill Chol. Last week, they were released on bail, pending court trial. Speaking to iRadio this after a civil society activist who was following the story said the teachers were freed. Daniel Lott said County Court Judge Akel Alex today dismissed allegations against teachers and set them free. The teachers were brought before the court today Tuesday for the 3rd hearing in the county court. The county court judge dismissed the case because he found out that there were no charges that should hold these teachers, so the case was dismissed under Section 26 this in the Criminal Court of Procedural 2008. The case of the teachers is now dismissed and the teachers are also freed by county court Jude. This is the information of what happened today on Tuesday. Early this month, the National Ministry of General Education and Instruction has distanced itself from the detained teachers in Rumbek, calling them criminals, a claim rejected by the school that employed them. However, for his part, one of the senior teachers in Rumbek, identified as Adija Majid Maring of Thuvik Dukal Primary School, refutes the claims of the deputy minister. Majid said his colleagues are teachers registered with the government.